Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by ensuring prerequisites are done. VirtualBox and its extension pack installed, plus the Windows 11 ISO ready. Create a new VM and name it clearly. Choose type, Microsoft Windows and version, Windows 11 64-bit. Assign at least 4 GB RAM and 50 GB VDI storage. Use VDI dynamically allocated. Once done, attach the ISO to the VM's optical drive and make sure the VM settings show EFI enabled and PAE/NX off if needed. Now you refine the VM settings to avoid install problems. Increase CPUs to 2 or more and enable I/O APIC. This improves performance and compatibility. Under storage, confirm the Windows 11 ISO is attached to the virtual optical drive so the installer can boot. Enable USB 3.0 and adjust display to 128 MB with 3D acceleration. This prepares drivers post-install. Start the VM and follow the Windows setup prompts. You'll choose language, partition, and accept the license to proceed. Finish the installation by completing OOB steps. Create a local account or link a Microsoft account, then install VirtualBox Guest Editions from the Devices menu once the desktop loads. Run Windows Update and reboot until drivers and patches are applied. Guest Editions improves display, mouse integration, and shared folders. If you hit TPM or secure boot errors, enable the virtual TPM module in VM settings or apply the registry bypass only as a last resort. Test snapshots and export once stable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.